How me G, where the pan, man? You know, so next week a Javari birthday though. I mean, I know, what for get the man for your birthday star? The man, they have everything. He man have tablet, he man have phone. Yo, back in a few days, we never have done something that's so young, and the man have everything, and the man are just 6. Me don't know, man, every cake man eat already, me don't know what to get it, G. So me say me a shout you up, you see if you can give me no local suggestion, you know? You know say Khaleesi birthday the last month. So now that's why me link you, man, G. Cause me know say you love your daughter, you know? And me know say she no short and nothing already, so me know say at some point you must did face this problem, you know? To you, me know say you love Khaleesi. Well, bro, you know say my wife get a nice gift for Khaleesi though. But me not sure if you can manage them gift. If bro, a style me right now, you know. If Shana can buy that for Khaleesi, then why you think say me can't afford it? No, bro, and that me mean, man. It's just them gift ya. I know everybody can get it. You know? Bro, what kind of style thing you depend man but and everybody can get it? Gee, me have credit card, me have debit card, me all have debit card. So bro, me can shop online too, bro. Me shop online, regular dog. So me can't get it. Me don't know what you talk about, bro. Just send a link. No, man, G. And that me mean is a book. Bro, I try if you say Javari can't read, so he can't get a book. No, me G. How me fi say that? Listen me now, man. It's just, that book, yeah, it unique. It have a unique name. So Javari no unique. And that you try if you say, no, bro. What I mean is, the name of the book I go turn off certain parents, you understand? Certain parents, certain auntie, certain uncle, you know? Certain people just not go get it, you know? You see, if you not promote individuality and creativity in your child, then you're not go really to understand the title of the book and can look past it, you know? For buy it for your picnic. You get what I say? I think me whoever's what you say now, you know? So it's a book to promote growth and confidence and then something there in a picnic. That is it, me bro. The book help your child embrace who they are. It teach them confidence, you see it? And it teach them to embrace where they come from. And it teach them say they not to make bullying and then something that get them down, you know? The book have valuable lessons in it, you know? Yeah, but the name kind of sticky, you know? I see. So what the book name? The book name, The Proud Little Dutty Jancrow. Bro, come off of my phone, man. Bro, me think you're serious, G. A fool you take man for, you know? No, for real, bro. The book there on Amazon. And you can link them on their social media page. Look for Dutty Jancrow. And order a book if you're there in Jamaica. Bro, a serious thing me talk about. Bro, you ask me a thing and I tell you a thing, you know, bro. Yo, Jesus Christ, G, hang up.
Remember the popular saying, don't judge a book by its cover. Introducing the proud little Dutty Jancrow. Don't judge a book by its name. Get your copy today on Amazon for $15.99 or via our social media pages if you live in Jamaica for just $2,500. What is under my nose? I'm out.